Look at my tired little man. I see he's wanting to hang out with me. And we're going to hang out for a little bit. But then I'm going to take you on a bike ride, hopefully, if it don't start raining again. It says it's supposed to be raining, but it's not raining as of right now. So if it doesn't rain, then we're going to go on a bike ride. But if it rains, then we'll just have to figure something else out to do. Maybe another breakdown video. I got a few more things that we can break down, and so everybody just stay tuned, and I'll be back with more. I gotta take care of that sometime soon and get a few more things off the porch, but that bucket's gonna have to stay. It's full of salt for salting the sidewalks. Give me a second and I'll be right back. Who wants to go for a bike ride? It's been a while, I know. But now that I got good tires on the back, set. Just gotta clean off this wet stuff. Oh, and check this out. My crutches don't hit the tires no more. That's a plus. Move this out here. And then turn this bike around. Let's back it up so I've got a process. Okay, let's see if this view is better. Guess what? They took out the speed bumps too, because they said it would be too hard to plow around them. So no more speed bumps until next year. I still got some dragging going on in front, but it's okay. Let's see what we see and do what we do and have fun doing it. Because there's no sense in not having fun. Tell me, guys, if this is a good view or not for y'all. So yeah, just drop me a comment. But if I didn't mention it already, my main objective right now is going and giving $50 to somebody to do I pick it up? Maybe on the way back if it's still there. It looks just to be metal. It don't look to be cast on. We'll find out. Little hill here, big hill down there. But yeah, this is a nice place. The rent's getting to be a little ridiculous, and they're getting ridiculous on some of their rules. But I got it must be a school bus. Alright, well, let me catch back up with you in a minute. Alrighty, guys, well, I stopped and I gave the guy the $50 towards the 100 for the motor that I had. So, he said give him about an hour and he's gonna come down and put it in for me. So, I have a motor. Yeehaw. That's a plus, because these 40-degree days and 20, 30-degree nights are getting a little bit chilly, and that space heater is just eating up the minutes or the watts and charging me out the rear end, you know. So I'm glad I got that straightened out. Different? I don't know if anyone's home right now, but if they might be setting it out on Thursday, so I might want to get my wood out here on Thursday and do some riding around since I've got the bike back working. I figured I'd do a longer version riding around because I haven't done it in a while, and you guys seem to like my ride around, so why not? Let's enjoy the day while we have it, you know, because it's getting colder. Whoa, almost made a bad move. Oh, there's no bed frame, but there is a mattress out by the road over there. Well, no bed frame that I can see from here. So let's go down here. Go down here, and then we'll go back up to the house because he said give him about an hour and he'd be down to put it in for me. Oh, here's a picking pile. Don't know if anything interesting's in it, but we'll see. I don't see much but a dish strainer, but I can always use a bigger dish strainer. It don't look to be in bad shape, so let me get off the bike here. No. Tote. Looks like paints. I'm not taking those home because I know where they'd be. All over. Because I wouldn't hold on to them. Let's grab this. I'll use it for a shed broom. There's a can. I got a bunch of them to take back to my house. So why not? I like the camo on that truck. Wow, they even got the back end done. Alright, well, I'm not picking no more from there. And I wish I could figure out a way to get my chain to stop doing this. Hold on, I'll be back. Technically, it's not. Usually go to pick it up off the side of the road. No, if you went into somebody's yard, like the bed frame was in somebody's yard, and you didn't have permission, then you could get in trouble. So we want to stay away from that as much as possible. Huh. Why'd I pick the whole way to go up the hill? I don't know. I should have came down and around and went up that a little bit more of an incline. Oh well, let's see what my arms and how my bike handles it. Another desk chair sitting by the garbage can, but not up to the road, so. Okay, I was not ready for it, I guess. This is mighty tough. Looks like a couch and hut, China hut, something of that effect over there. Alright, stop. Right there. Well, if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe, and come back for more. I'm gonna pick up that chair after getting up this little hill. Well, it's a pretty big hill, but I'm gonna do this and then go home and wait on the guy to come down and put the furnace motor in. So stay tuned. I'll be back with you for more adventures.